Hello, good morning everyone. Now we are going to see about Kattaparka. What are the contents in Kattaparka? Introduction. Kattaparka is derived from two words, Gita meaning gum, Parja, name of a tree. Kattaparka is derived from Brazilian trees which is belonging to the Sapotaceae family. Okay. What is the chemistry behind Kattaparka? It is a trans isomer of polyisoprene. Its chemical structure is 1,4-trans polyisoprene. This is the chemical structure. What are the compositions? There are various compositions in Kattaparka. In crude form, it is a gutta, albumin, fluvial, and tannin salts and saccharine substances. Kattaparka. Other compositions are zinc oxide, which is a reinforcement, Kattaparka matrix, wax resins, which induces plasticity, metal sulfates, imparts in radio opacity. Phases. There are various phases in Kattaparka. There are beta phases, alpha phases, and amorphous phases. Beta phases in a room temperature, alpha phase is 42 to 49 degrees Celsius, soft and sticky. Amorphous, more than 60 degrees Celsius, which is molten in nature. Kattaparka exhibits two crystalline transformation from room temperature to 100 degrees centigrade. Alpha phase and beta phase. These are the differences between alpha phase and the beta phase. They exhibit various characteristics. These are the characteristics. What are the properties in Kattaparka? There are various properties: biocompatibility, dimensional stability, ductility and malleability, melting point, ease of handling, adaptation to the root apex. Sterilization of Kattaparka cones. 5.25% or 5% sodium hypochlorite for 1 minute. It is disinfected by 1% sodium hypochlorite for 1 minute or 0.5% sodium hypochlorite for 5 minutes. After disinfection, Kattaparka cones rinsed in the ethyl alcohol to remove crystallized sodium hypochlorite before obturation. How to store Kattaparka? Immersing in hot tap water until the grasping forceps indents the now softened Kattaparka. Removing it from hot water and immediately quenching in cold water for several seconds. Sterilized and used for obturation. What are the forms of Kattaparka? Kattaparka exhibits various forms, cones or points. In cones or points, there are two types, core points and auxiliary points. Core points are standard cones, auxiliary points are non-standard cones. These are the pictures. Core points used as a master cones. Auxiliary points have a large tapered pointed tip used as auxiliary points during lateral compaction during obturation, and master cones in warm vertical compaction. Kattaparka pellets or bars. These are used in thermoplasticide Kattaparka. For example, Obtura system. In syringes, a low viscosity Kattaparka. These are very easy for obturation. To be coated on carriers. Pre-coated core carrier Kattaparka. Stainless steel plastic carrier or titanium. Pre-coated with alpha phase Kattaparka. Example, thermophil. Another one, antibacterial Kattaparka cones. Iodoform containing Kattaparka, MGP, which is a medicated Kattaparka developed by H. Martin. Antimicrobial activity against various bacteria. Other one is calcium hydroxide containing Kattaparka. Calcium hydroxide plus hygiene calcium hydroxide points. Chlorhexidine impregnated Kattaparka. Kattaparka matrix embedded within 5% chlorhexidine diacetate. It is used in various medications, temporary root canal filling, prevention of reinfection. What are the advantages? Ease of introduction. It is firm for easy application. This is flexible, so it is easy to apply. Easy of removal. The stability of active point is not affected by the release of chlorhexidine in moisture. No residue is left in the canal. These are about the Kattaparka points. Thank you.